One of them, I talked about pH. So let's talk about pH for a second. Remember what pH is. pH scale from 1 to 14, if you remember your basic science, 14 is soap, right? And 1 is battery acid. So, for example, Coca-Cola, 3.5. So does it make sense that if you're drinking Diet Coca-Cola, that that's going to also still affect weight gain? That's a mystery to some people, is that they don't drink, I'm drinking 7 Diet Cokes, they don't drink anything else, you know, but why do I gain weight? Because it's 0 calories. Well, it's acidic and also all the artificial stuff in it, obviously. And they've actually done studies that women drinking diet soda gain more weight than drinking regular soda. Okay, interestingly enough, because of all the chemicals in it. So you want to get your body alkaline. If you're overweight, it all starts with having good water. You have to be hydrated. 100% of Americans are pretty much dehydrated because they don't drink enough water. We're at a higher altitude. You know you have to drink the right amount of water. A good water tip, drink half your body weight in ounces of water. That's your formula. Figure out your body weight, cut it in half. That's how many ounces a day you want. All right? So alkaline water, don't waste your time with bottled water. Most bottled water is still acidic. You want to get water that's between 8 and 10. That will help tremendously with weight loss. And all these different things, that I'm going to tell you about, all can contribute just individually to a person losing a couple pounds a week without other stuff. When you put it all together, it makes a huge difference. What are you going to say?
How do you determine what pH you want?
Very good question. Let me answer that in a second. I actually have a picture of that.
Okay.
So, but what happens is, and also dehydration leads to constipation, so you hold stuff in your body. Now here's another part. When you, what did we say this was? We said it was acidic. So if you lose some of this stuff because you start being successful losing weight, you ever do, somebody in this room, I can't be the only one, do like some kind of starvation diet or fast for like a week or X number of days or whatever, okay? And you feel cruddy, all right? Or you feel like headachy and exhausted and all that stuff. It's because your body's getting more acidic and more toxic as that stuff goes into your bloodstream. So what happens is that when you feel that way, what do you end up doing? You get cravings, and all of a sudden you lash back and reach for stuff. I've done that, so I know the experience. But when you're losing weight and you're staying alkaline, then what happens is that experience is cut down. It helps you continue that, right? Also, understand, in Japan, they use alkaline water in the hospitals. When people are really sick, it's like life-changing for people, because they really get hydrated, and they give people alkaline water bedside. So in hospitals, there are evidences of alkalinity affecting cancer, and all kinds of things. So, and understand, bottled water is pretty expensive. You know, just buying, it's more expensive than gasoline when you really add it up to like the Dasani that you would buy. So, it's better for the environment too, because you're not using plastic. So you can get a home alkalizer, and we use a portable alkalizer that almost looks like your coffee mug there that you can use. It's very cost effective. Home alkalizer is great because it lasts years, you know, like 5 years. It's going to be far cheaper than buying bottled water. And it brings your water up to a 10. So over here, you asked that question, how do you know? You can get test kits. You can get test kits online, 10, 20 bucks, and you can test your water. So it's kind of blurry because I just was so amazed with this, I took a picture with my phone. But acidic, basic, this was Boulder tap water. This was 3 minutes in a portable alkalizer like your coffee cup. 3 minutes. So I brought it up to a 10, you know, and then you can have at any restaurant, you can have alkaline water, or anywhere you go, and you can keep your body alkaline. And then you have half your body weight in ounces of water of that. And this was a reagent to test it. It doesn't look purple when you drink it. And it tastes really good. It tastes different. It hydrates your body better. It starts clearing up your skin because you're getting hydrated. It's an amazing thing. So that's one strategy that I never realized. So I committed to having that much water, alkaline water, every day. Made a huge difference. And again, good for your health. Hormones. So there's all kinds of